Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to link Binance with bank account. To link your Binance account to your bank account, follow these steps. Visit Binance official website and log in to your account. After that, go to the wallet section and click on fiat and spot. To deposit or withdraw funds, you need to link your bank account to your Binance account. Click on deposit or withdraw in fiat section, depending on the action you want to take. In the deposit or withdraw page, select the currency you want to deposit or withdraw. Choose the bank transfer as a deposit or withdraw method. When prompt, select bank transfer as a payment method. You will need to provide the details to link your bank account. Complete the process and then confirm the bank link. Once you have entered all the required bank details, Binance may ask you to verify the bank account by sending a small amount to your bank. Follow the instruction to verify your bank account if required. After successfully linking your bank account, you can now deposit or withdraw funds from your Binance account to your bank account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.